Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 6 large eggs, a pot, and a timer. Place eggs in a single layer and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce heat to maintain a simmer for 10 minutes. Immediately transfer eggs to an ice bath and cool for 5 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Peel shells carefully and dry the whites before having to ensure clean edges and stable presentation for filling and filming. After having the eggs lengthwise, remove 12 yolks to a bowl and mash until crumbly. Mash 12 yolks with 3 tablespoons mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon mustard until smooth and glossy, adjusting texture with small amounts of mayo if needed. Season with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, tasting to balance acidity and salt. Transfer the mixture to a pastry bag fitted with a star tip, or use a small spoon to fill each white half neatly, smoothing tops for consistent appearance on camera. Frame a clean 16:9 overhead shot and set your camera to 4K to capture texture and color while assembling the eggs. Record the assembly step for about 60 seconds to give editors options. Use natural light from a window set at a 45-degree angle and add a white reflector opposite to soften shadows and maintain appetizing highlights. Show close-ups of piping, then close with garnish. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.